Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can complete the Scenes Worth Keeping quest, which is one of the gossip quests in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. These are the missions that we need to complete. We need to take a photo of Central Square, Piano Square, and also the Garden Street. And then the first one guys, I'm going to go to the Central Square. It's right here. Okay. And I'm going to go there. Okay, this is the Central Square, and then I'm going to take photo here. Okay, done. And I'm going to take a photo of Piano Square, and the Piano Square is near here. Okay, let me show you guys. So basically, we just need to follow the guidance to find exact location. All right, this is the Piano Square, and here you'll be able to play piano if you want. And I'm going to take a picture. All right, done for the Piano Square. And then the last one, we're going to go to the Garden Street. Okay. Oops. Wait, guys. Okay, and this is the Garden Street. And we're going to take a photo of it. Okay, and go to the camera and take photo. Okay, finally I can complete the quest, and then I'm going to find the collector to claim the reward. Okay, the collector is here and he's moving, and I'm going to claim my reward. Okay, I got gold, 2000 gold. Okay guys, and that's how we can complete the gossip quest in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.